The iPad is a powerhouse, but let's be honest. Most keyboard cases feel like an afterthought. They are usually bulky, made of cheap plastic and lack personality. But this is the Typecase Edge Pro. It is the world's first per-key RGB keyboard case for the iPad, housed in an impossibly thin aluminum body. This isn't just a cover. It's a professional-grade tool designed for creators and tech lovers who refuse to compromise. It did a redesign because the way we work has changed. We aren't just at desks anymore. We're in cafes, on planes, and in studios. Most portable keyboards are too thick or feel mushy when you type. This gadget fixes all of that. It measures just 0.157 inches thick. That is thinner than most notebooks. Achieving this was an engineering nightmare. Usually, to get RGB lighting and mechanical feeling keys, you need a lot of space for layers. But the creators of this tool spent 21 iterations perfecting the structure. They managed to fit an entire optical light system into a layer that is only 0.031 inches thick. It's a unibody aluminum design, meaning it's incredibly strong but light enough to carry all day. Let's talk about those lights. Most keyboards have one big light under all the keys, not this one. This tool features true per-key RGB. That means every single key has its own dedicated light. You have 16 million colors at your fingertips. There are 10 preset effects and 12 color options. Whether you want a ripple effect that reacts to your touch or a rainbow wave for creative energy, it's all there. It isn't just for show either. It helps you stay focused in low-light environments and gives you visual feedback as you type. The typing experience itself is a dream. It actually has deeper key travel than a MacBook. At 0.055 inches, every press feels crisp and controlled. Your fingers won't get tired during long writing sessions. Below the keys sits a spacious, click-anywhere glass trackpad. It supports every iPadOS gesture you already know. Scrolling, zooming, and switching apps feels natural and smooth. This gadget also features a full row of 14 function keys. You can adjust brightness, media, and those RGB settings instantly. When it's time to work, the floating cantilever design lets you set the perfect angle. It stays stable from 90 to 135 degrees, even on your lap. The magnets are rock solid, and the hinge has been tested for over 20,000 cycles. When you're done, just fold it shut. It protects the front and back of your iPad, looking like a sleek piece of armor. It's thin, it's bright, and it's built to last. If you want to turn your iPad into a true mobile workstation, this is the way to do it. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button for more tech breakdowns. Have questions about how it feels to type on? Drop a comment below. You can find the link to the product in the description. Thanks for watching.